What is going on, guys? Serious HD here, along with Alfredo, Vexa, Reaper, and Sync, all from the Cryptic Development team, and we are bringing you guys a new series on how to code in C Sharp. This will allow you to make things like RTM tools and other Windows applications on your own. So you'll be able to code pretty much whatever you want, whatever comes to mind. And yeah, so a new video to this series will be uploaded every Monday and Thursday until we run out of stuff to cover, which is virtually never. But we're going to stop covering after about an intermediate level because we don't want to go too far, because it's kind of pointless. Um, Also, a lot of this stuff is just common knowledge. And a lot of this is just really basic stuff. So don't worry about not knowing anything. If you don't know what something is, just leave a comment. Uh, and we will try and read your questions. And if you're on the website, just click the YouTube video and then go comment there. We'll try and answer as many questions as we can. We are limited, obviously, because there's only so many of us, but we'll try and do what we can. All right, so before we begin, we're going to go ahead and introduce everyone on the team who is with me. This may change from episode to episode, so whenever we get someone new in here, we'll go ahead and introduce them on that episode. So, first, we're going to go with Alfredo. He is our Twitter manager. He is also a developer for the team. He is one of the top 3 on the team. He's been here since the very beginning. So, sup, Alfredo?
What's up?
And then we've got Vexa. Vexa is our GFX head, meaning he does all the GFX stuff. Basically, he handles all the GFX designers. GFX meaning graphical designer. And he is also becoming a developer for the team, but he's got a lot of work, so he's chilling. And he's going to be doing all the editing on these videos, etc. So what's up, Vexa?
What's up, guys?
And then we've got Reaper. He's a CFW modder for the team. He is also pretty cool dude. We've been playing with him for a while. He tests some stuff for the team, etc. So, what's up, Reaper?
What's up, guys?
And then we've got Sync. Sync is a developer for the team, and he's pretty cool. He's been with us for a while as well. He's actually been here since the very beginning as well, I'm pretty sure. So is Vexa, but he had so much on his plate already, I didn't even need to say that. Anyway, what's up, Sync?
What's up, guys?
All right, so now that you guys have heard everyone with their like 3 or 4 words because they didn't want to say any more, we've got to go ahead and get into this tutorial. Now that everyone's introduced, I can go ahead and start. Firstly, we need to get a proper environment set up. So what you're going to need, it's really basic. You're going to need a computer that can run Visual Studio, any Microsoft computer at all. When you download Visual Studio, you're going to go ahead and it's going to install all the things you need. It's going to install .NET Framework. It's going to install C Sharp. It's going to install all the things you need. So all you got to do is install Visual Studio. Link will be in the download box to the left of this video if you're on the website. If you're in YouTube, it'll be in the description. If you're anywhere else, hopefully they linked it. If not, then just Google Visual Studio 2015 Community. Go to this page and click this button right here. It'll bring you to a download page and you can download it. Obviously, I don't need to download it because I already have it installed. So, once you've installed that, and it may require you to restart your computer, so if you do need to, then yeah, come back to the video. Once you get everything installed, when you first open it, it's going to ask you to set a few settings. Don't worry, it's just your theme and stuff like that. It's really easy, basic stuff. Don't worry about it. It should be a breeze. You're going to get to this after you finish all that. Just go ahead and close this. It's just a start page. A bunch of random crap you don't need to worry about. We're going to go ahead and we're going to hit File, New, Project. Now, every time you want a project, you're going to go ahead and do that. You're going to click Visual C Sharp, Windows, and then you're going to click Console Application. Now, eventually we're going to be working on Windows Form application, but for now we're going to be working with console so I can teach you the basics. So we can teach you the basics, not just me. Teach you the basics of C Sharp and coding in general. So we're going to start out and we're going to call this the What's Up World program. Now, if you don't have a folder already, go ahead and go to your desktop, hit New Folder, and make C Sharp folder because this is where we're going to be keeping all our projects. Just keeps things organized. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in our name. What's up? Thanks, Visual Studio. What's up, world? Now, once you've done all that, you can go ahead, make sure this is True. Don't worry about add to source control. Make sure that's unchecked. Go ahead and OK. Should build a solution for you. Now, if any of you guys are a little bit familiar with coding, you know there's always the Hello World application. And it's dried up and dead. So we're going to do What's Up World. So most other tutorials in YouTube and out there that I've seen do not actually make you do a static import of the console, which I think is the right way to do it. But we're not going to do that because I'm lazy and you're lazy and we're all lazy and we're programmers. So what you're going to do is go up here and you're going to do this every time you make your application. Type in using, type in system.console. Now, when you do that, basically you're telling it, oh, just kidding, static system.console. Now, when you do that, you're telling it that you're using all the stuff in the console, so you don't have to, you know, go through and basically type in system.console every time. You can just type the method and stuff. So whenever we write to the console, we're going to use write line and then parentheses, and then inside that put quotes, and we're going to put what's up world. Now what this should do, every statement in C# is ended with a semicolon. So every time you finish something, you're going to put a semicolon. So once you've done all that, you can go ahead and run the program, and you should see What's Up World, and it'll close. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to do something really quickly to make sure it doesn't close on us. So yeah, there you go. You got What's Up World. And that's your first program in C#. I'm going to go ahead and explain some of this stuff really quickly because we're going to need it for the next video. We've got the namespace. This is just everything having to do with your project. Then we got class. This is like your little packaging box. You got all your stuff inside of it, and you can go grab whatever you need out of that at any time. You got your static void main. This is where the program actually enters and like starts the code. So whenever you start your program, you're always going to start in this method. Alright, so now that most of that's explained, we're going to go ahead and close out this video because this video is actually like the basics. In the future videos, we're going to have more stuff, way more stuff, and the people with me are actually going to talk in those videos. They're going to have input. But this video was just the basics. It's just getting set up and stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let us know because we put in a lot of effort in these videos. Just drop a like or, you know, drop a comment letting us know what you think about the videos. If you need more practice, there will be a file in the download section or the description of the video wherever you are that is an extra practice problem. And these practice problems, basically you just download them and you start from scratch and follow the instructions and try and complete the task. There's a solution in the folder included with it in case you can't figure it out. So, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Let it go, make my body go, take our bodies high.